How to add a Temu referral code. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you've received a Temu referral code and you want to add it to get discounts or rewards, you can follow the simple steps. First of all, open your Temu application on your mobile device, and once you've launched the Temu app, log into your account. After that, tap on the U section from the bottom, that is between categories and cart section. And once you do that, you will see your credit balance and coupon offers in this section. Now go to Win Reward option, and from here you will be able to invite your friends or enter a referral code. So for that, go to Redeem Credit option, and from here you can scroll down, or you can enter a code and apply a referral code, or you can simply go ahead and tap on Redeem if it's available. Tap on Earn Coins to get credit and you'll be done. And to redeem credit on Temu, you can search for redeem to come back and refer new app users, existing users, or you can also spin for coins and collect extra coins rewards from this page. And all coins will expire at a certain time as displayed on the page. So after entering your referral code, you may get discounts, bonus, credits, or other rewards depending on the current offer. So referral codes can be used when you sign up as a new user or sometimes for your first purchase. So make sure to apply it early. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.